You're welcome to Correct TV. Today I will share another wonderful platform you can go to start working for and then start smiling to the bank. I want you to go to your browser and search for a platform named likesplanet.com. Likesplanet.com. This is a platform that enables earn income or by doing simple tasks, just by doing social media tasks and many more. You can see get high quality likes from the whole planet. Likes plan is the best way to advertise your social media page. Then apart from that, how it works, you can also earn money by doing simple tasks. You can see earn money by doing likes, follow it, fast payment. Once you reach the minimum threshold, which is $2 minimum cash out, then you can start cashing out. Then you can even cash out easy daily earnings such as $0.5%. So but you need to meet the threshold of $2. So this is how you can advertise your social media page free plus 10,000 likes slash followers view and many more. This is a top platform you can go then start working for them. So how can you now register on this platform? You can see click on the registration button at the top right hand corner. Then you input your username, email, you repeat your email password, then repeat password, then you input your referral ID. Then what? You enter the captcha, then you register, Since I've already registered before, I won't be doing that, so I'll just log into my dashboard for you to view my dashboard. So this is my own information. I'll just input the captcha security code information. Then I will log into my account. See, this is the dashboard. This is how it looks like. Just do simple tasks on this platform and start making money for yourself. That's just it. You can say earn points slash money. Just click on the earn points slash money. You can then choose whatever task you wanted to do. Then let's assume, okay, I'm interested in doing Instagram task. Just click on it. Then you do all these tasks. Once you perform all these tasks, they are going to pay you. So that's just it for it. They kindly hit the notification bell and the subscribe button, so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I dropped awesome video just like this. Thanks.